Hey Aries, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. Spirit, 3 cards for Aries, please. What messages do you have for Aries? Oh, okay. Alright, so first card I have, free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life. Healing family issues. Your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. Okay. One more card for Aries, please. Thank you. Last card I have, keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. Okay. Oh, just to start it off, free yourself, healing family issues, keep an open mind. Okay. They definitely want you to put you guys first. You have to put yourself first. Some of you guys have been taking a back seat. It's not all in your love life, but just with people in your life in general. A lot of you guys have been putting other people before yourself. And yeah, it hasn't been to like your best benefit. So when you get out of situations, put yourself first. Somebody is definitely going through a situation with family members here. Maybe something that's taken place, from childhood or just something. For some of you, it's different because I'm picking up, for some of you guys, it's situations that have taken place from when you were a child. For others of you guys, it could be a situation that's taking place like now, but they want you to heal from it because it definitely is affecting your love life. And honestly, you're attracting those same type of people, if that makes sense. But they want you to stay positive because somebody's coming into your life. Maybe, a different type of individual that, you're not used to attracting, but somebody's coming in, Aries, if they're not already here. So yeah, let's take a look. Alright, here we go. So, bottom of the deck, I have the King of Swords. So, this is telling me that you guys cut someone off, or you cut something off in your life. Could have been dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, a Gemini, or a Libra. But yeah, you definitely cut something or someone off here. Tell me more. What's going on with Aries? Yeah, you guys cut something off because even though there was love here, you could have been dealing with a Gemini. You feel like the situation was not improving. It wasn't working out. Yeah. Whatever it is, like, you were not happy at all. Ace of Pentacles. Okay. So, somebody wants to give you something that you deserve. Something that you've been hoping for. Could be dealing with a water sign here. A Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. Tell me about the Queen of Cups in reverse, because this could be your energy. Let's see. Yeah, this is definitely your energy. Okay, so Aries, you guys are really sad about something, but you're holding back. Like, you're not telling anyone what it is. You're not really expressing your feelings because you're just to the point where it's kind of like, what's the point? Whoever you were dealing with that you had to cut off, you really wanted things to improve with this person, but you feel like it's not. And that's why you're just biting your tongue. But y'all know, Aries, y'all don't bite y'all tongue. So if y'all bite y'all tongue, somebody did something like foul, okay? But yeah, it's like, you're just to the point where it's like, what's the point, I do feel like whoever you cut off, they want to come back to give you an offer. But you don't see yourself having a happy home with this individual anymore. And I feel like you're wanting to take a leap elsewhere. You're ready to start over, move in a new direction. Yeah, you guys are definitely not putting in the work into that situation anymore. You guys feel like you don't have any other options. Somebody did something to the point where y'all like, no, You guys were very sad about the way things were playing out, but you're coming out of that energy. I don't know for some of you guys if someone could have possibly taken a financial loss. You're just coming out of it. Somebody's made a decision. There was a tower moment here. Clarify the tower. Something came crashing down. Somebody made a decision that because there was something that came to light here, somebody wasn't being honest. Now you're like, you know what? I want a new opportunity elsewhere. But I feel like this person wants to be with you. They want to come and see you. They want to fix things. Y'all remember, this can go vice versa. So just take it however it fits for your situation. Yeah. Okay, so, yeah, this person definitely wants to come back. They want a new opportunity with you. They know they messed up. But they're scared that if they give you this offer, you're going to turn them down. And that's why they're moving slow. You guys are possibly not speaking right now for some of you guys, but yeah, this person wants to rush in to tell you how they truly feel, or maybe want to just give you the truth about something, but they're not. They're worried. Why are they worried? Somebody's worried because they see themselves being with you. They see stability, like, within the relationship. It's like you guys together make this power couple, but at the end of the day, somebody's feeling like the situation is not going to improve here. There was some type of third party here for some of you guys, and you were trying to find out the truth about it. Somebody could have been dealing with a Libra. And y'all know third party doesn't have to be another man, woman. It could be family member, friends. But somebody was interfering here. And you were definitely trying to find out the truth. Somebody could have been going through some type of legal situation. But honestly, I'm more so feeling like you were trying to find out the truth. Because maybe you felt like somebody was dealing with somebody from their past. It could have been an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But at this point, I just feel like for a lot of you guys, you're just letting it go. You're focusing on yourself right now. You're focusing on healing, doing things that make you happy. You're focusing on your career because you're trying to balance things out with that. You know, like I was telling you guys in the beginning, you guys put other things or other people in front of your own wants and needs. And now it's time to free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life. And this is what you guys are doing. You know, you're trying to better yourself. You're trying to balance out your life. You know, do things that make you happy. Somebody could have definitely been dealing with a Taurus here. But I feel like a lot of you guys had to get out of this relationship. For some of you guys, it could have been a marriage that you had to get out of because it wasn't serving your highest good. Somebody's definitely dealing with an air sign here, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. But I feel like you're coming off really cold and harsh to this individual because, yeah, the moon tried to jump out because I feel like they were lying to you guys. You know, it was a lot of things that were hidden. And so I feel like, Aries, you learned your lesson and you're moving on. But this person wants to come back to give you an offer, but there's some type of codependency here. Look at that. I told y'all the moon was trying to come out before. There's the moon. In reverse. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces here. But I do feel like this person wants to come and tell you the truth. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. Clarify death. Let me see. Let's see what's going on. Maybe somebody wants to tell you that they ended something so they can begin something new with you. Let's see. No, Aries, this is you. Okay, so basically, because this person, you feel like it's codependent, right? You're basically coming out of being frustrated. You're opening up. You're letting them know, like, look, I'm tired of playing this with you. Like, I'm tired of going through this with you. I need to think about me. So what we got going on is it's a wrap. You know, it needs to come to an end. I'm ready to move on elsewhere. But this person really does not want you to cut them off. again, you could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra, but they do not want you to cut them off. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer, and here's an Aries. But I just feel like you guys are not moving forward. Yeah, you could be dealing with another Aries, but if not Aries, again, this is you just not moving forward. You guys are looking for stability in your life, and when it comes to this person, they don't make the cut. Somebody's definitely dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Aries, this could be your energy here. You're trying your best to stay positive. And, you know, it's like you care about this person. You really want the seeds to grow with this individual, but at the end of the day, you don't see it happening. Back and forth, like, exactly, with the Empress here. It's like you want a new beginning with this person to see if maybe you guys can work things out, but you're like, no, it's going to be the same thing over and over. So you're like, you know what, I just need to go. And you're trying your best not to look back at the past. But this person wants to come back in to apologize to you because they want their family. They want it. They see it with you. Could be dealing with a Leo here, but somebody's trying to have the strength to approach you, to come back. Look at that. They want a victory with you. But somebody's weighing up some options here. Somebody needs to make a decision. Tell me more. Could be dealing with the Capricorn. But I feel like Aries, this person that did you wrong, I just feel like you're looking at them like you're just really toxic. You know, I don't really have time to keep dealing with this and going through this with you. But there is a level of fear here. Because deep down you would like to work this out. But at the end of the day, you're like, no, this person is just toxic as hell. And so you are taking it day by day. You're getting stronger. You know, I feel like you're gaining that strength to just move on. But there's communication coming in. You could be communicating with this person. This person could be wanting to communicate to you. But, yeah, you don't see things moving forward. There's just a lot of conflict here. You feel like things are not going to resolve itself. But, oh my gosh, they're coming back. Somebody's dealing with the earth sign here, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. And they want to come back to give you their cup of love. This is a serious offer of commitment. They do not want you to walk away from them. Somebody's frustrated here. Somebody's up late at night because they don't know what to do. This person left you out in the cold. You know, and it's like on the flip side, you're trying your best to get over it. You're healing. But this person put you through some type of third-party situation to where they broke your heart. And it's like they move slow to make decisions. They move slow to come to tell you the truth. They just move slow to do everything. But they want to say something to you, but you're like, no, why would I take you back? Like, I don't know if I can even trust this offer here. Yeah, you guys are looking at this person like they were sneaky and they need to clean up their act. Look at that, 2 sevens back to back. Like, they were definitely sneaky as hell. You know, and at this point, you guys are coming out of being frustrated about it. So, a decision has been made. All right, let's see. What's the decision for Aries, please? So, nope. Somebody's back and forth. 1 minute, somebody's frustrated and they're not speaking their truth. The next minute, they want to come out of that energy and they have something to say. 1 minute, they see themselves starting over and building with this person. The next minute, they don't. So, somebody needs to make a decision here. Aries, if this is you, I feel like you're just going to drop it. Because you were the one doing everything. Or it could be the other person. Like I said, vice versa. Take it however it fits for your situation. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign here. A Pisces, a Cancer, or a Scorpio. But whoever this person is, they're not speaking up. They're sad, but they're just holding back. They're not speaking their truth at all. They're not communicating. But they definitely do not want you walking away from them. Could be dealing with a